Have you seen the ads claiming that Picdo Skin Tag Remover can eliminate skin tags, moles, and warts naturally in just a few days without pain, freezing, surgery, or expensive dermatologist visits? Those promises sound incredibly appealing, but the available evidence tells a much more cautious story. Picdo is heavily promoted as an all-in-one skin solution. Yet there is no publicly available clinical research proving that the finished product can safely and effectively deliver the dramatic results shown in its advertisements. One of the biggest concerns is the marketing itself, which includes questionable customer testimonials, AI-generated promotional content, and before and after images and videos that appear designed to create unrealistic expectations, rather than demonstrate verified outcomes. The product also uses phrases like doctor recommended, breakthrough formula, and natural miracle solution, but there is little independent evidence to support these claims. Another red flag is the constant limited time discounts and urgency tactics that continue to appear, making the offer seem more like a marketing strategy than a genuine promotion. The same formula also appears to be sold under different brand names, raising further questions about its uniqueness. While some buyers claim they noticed improvements, others report little to no visible change, along with complaints about refunds, recurring subscription charges, and customer support. There is also no strong, verified reputation on major independent review platforms that matches the impressive image presented in advertisements. This does not automatically prove that Picdo Skin Tag Remover is a scam, but it does mean the bold claims should be viewed with healthy skepticism. If you are dealing with changing moles, persistent warts, or unusual skin growths, relying solely on online miracle products may not be the safest choice, and professional medical advice remains the most reliable option. Based on the available evidence, Picdo Skin Tag Remover appears to rely far more on aggressive marketing than on solid scientific proof, so it is worth researching carefully before deciding to buy.